So how to use the edit text option in iMessage on iOS 16. So first things first, you need to ensure that your iPhone is on the latest version of iOS, that is iOS 16.0. And then you'd need to ensure that your friend has an iPhone or running iOS on their device. So as you can see here, we have this conversation, which I've already edited, but I'm going to do another one. So what you need to do is to, well, once you see iMessage here, that shows that the individual is using iMessage. So you could just say, let's just send another hello. Hello. Or let's just send it with the arrow. So let's say you send this message and you were like, oh my gosh, that is sent incorrectly. I did not mean to send that. You could actually long press on the message. And as you can see, we could react to it. And then the option is here now to edit. And we could even unsend the message. So let's edit and let's fix that up a bit and let's send. And even if we long press again, we are able to edit the message again. And let's see if it will show edited 2 times or anything like that. No, it just shows edited once. Well, yes, it shows edited the number of times you edited the message, and it shows what you edited the message from. So I believe that is a pretty unique feature, one which I'll definitely be using. It is quite interesting, rather, to say the least. But that is it. Just an update as to the Unsend Message feature in iOS 16 and iMessage. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative and got you, in the groove of using this feature. So thank you for watching. Hacker 7 out.